Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have a keyless Asec security laminated steel padlock. This is the 787D model, 50mm. Now it is made in Taiwan, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. There's lots of great locks made in Taiwan. I believe Federal Lock are based in Taiwan, but this does have a lot of core slop. Look at this, side to side and up and down, but also when I put tension on, look at that, it's sprung. But the amount of movement, just look at how much movement I've got in my very tightly fitting tension tool. Now that could be a combination of spool pins, but it also could mean that it's just like really, really bad tolerances. I don't know, but let's have a go at picking this. So pin 3, nice little click, 2, nothing, 1, click, 4 little click there I think. Click on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So something isn't set. That was 3, 2, counter rotation on 2. 1 feels set still. 5, little more, another click on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, could be 3 here. Counter rotation, little counter rotation on 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Little click on 5 again. I think these could all be spool pins. This is 3, counter rotation. Back to 1 again. 4. Oh, no, just hit 4 there again and we are open. So very hard lock to read. I don't know whether it's relatively well made. It's got ball bearing double locking mechanism and is full of lots of spools, or whether it's very cheaply made and has those really nasty sort of chewed pins in. It's very hard to tell, but yeah, well, whatever it is, we are open, and that's, I guess, something. So there you go, the Asec Security 787D 50mm laminated padlock with double ball bearing mechanism and hard steel shackle. That's all you can really say about it, really. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you liked this video, hit that like, hit the subscribe if you think I deserve it. It really helps my channel out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.